Over millennia, the cradle of Chinese civilization was fundamentally ecologically destroyed, impoverishing the land and the people. In 1995, the Chinese government, with World Bank support, decided to rehabilitate the degraded lands of the Lus Plateau in northwest China. By aligning science, capital investment, policy, and the people's participation to work together with nature instead of against it, within a decade, a large measure of ecological function was returned to 35,000 square kilometers. China's experience on the Lus Plateau is helping to show that it's possible to rehabilitate large-scale damaged ecosystems.